wheels or the ball?
The wheels.
The wheels? Let's see. There. Chirpy Airlines is ready for takeoff. I think this plane still needs something to make it go.
No,
No, it's not
What
hot.
else does an airplane need to make it go? An engine. Of course. An airplane has to have engines to make it fly.
Is it good?
Now that's more like it.
This is Air Captain speaking. Chirpy Airlines is now ready for takeoff.